Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up YouTube Kids parental controls, follow this full tutorial to create a safe viewing environment for your children. Step 1. Download and install the YouTube Kids app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your child's device. Step 2. Open the YouTube Kids app and tap on the lock icon in the bottom corner to access parental settings. Step 3. Complete the age verification by solving the math problem or reading the numbers displayed on screen. Step 4. Choose whether to sign in with your Google account or continue without signing in. Signing in allows you to sync settings across devices. Step 5. Select your child's age range to determine what content level is appropriate. Options include preschool for 4 and under, younger for 5 to 8, or older for 9 to 12. Step 6. Review the content settings and choose whether to allow search functionality or only show approved content channels. Step 7. Set a custom passcode that only you know by tapping Settings and then Passcode. This prevents children from changing settings or accessing regular YouTube. Step 8. Explore additional settings like timer to limit screen time, sound and notification preferences, and the ability to block specific videos or channels if you find content that's inappropriate, and regularly review your child's watch history through the parent settings to ensure they're viewing age-appropriate content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.